Boy, working the grill, no cap.
I shoot the dog. Mizu! Mizu, Mizu!
So it's dark when Luke falls, and due to cause I gotta chase it. The son of man took my burdens. The veil's off, I'm just trying to find my purpose. Riding through Damascus, so it's dark before dawn. I dropped the light and spent January just reminiscing through songs. At the old tale of two cities, the Renaissance coming soon. My pilgrimage to the studio was my 40 days in the dunes.
He's oh my God. No.
Yo,
Not that
I
close.
think you're too close.
No hurt, but don't feel any type of way. Because if you look to your left and look to your right, you have a positive vibe of all different nationalities and religious backgrounds. It doesn't matter if you're black, white, Hispanic, Asian, Muslim, gay, or straight. He's gay. I found out yesterday.
About to grab some Starfield. Got the work laptop. My laptop.
Wait, I still have the scar actually. Some nigga you still with the shit still looks the same, honestly. Just cleaned it up a little bit. Then I just to jump through this.
She got a cool Kodak camera. And Gideon got a monitor, table stands. He asked for some type of clothes, so I got him that. Got this for my mom, an Echo Glow, so she could use her Echo Dot. And this is the funniest one. I don't know if this works, but I got my dad egg cooker. Like an electric egg cooker type of thing. Ego loop. And then we're gonna cut to tomorrow when we actually open the gifts. I'll record like all the gifts and all that.
We got the gifts wrapped from my end.
Close your eyes.
Right, now for the hard parts. So far so good. Let's pray I don't activate the airbag. Oh, for real. This will be good, no worries. Just gotta trust.